Hello everyone, and I have a login world error. It's Sparks here, and today this is part 2 of my first video, which was a giveaway and mail time all in one. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. I'll tell you who won because my screen recorder stopped. I don't know whether I'm gonna get a screen recorder without a watermark, but hey ho. Hold on. It's really annoying. This is so annoying. Ah! There we go. Sober. Wow. What a story. So the people that won were Sparky1973, Skullmore, 2Z, Okiwi, and Silverclaw. So we need to make a completely different wheel. So thank you for everyone who participated. Wheel of names. So thank you guys, thank you everyone who participated in the giveaway. So I'm so sorry everyone, goodbye. Oh, I feel bad for taking you all off, but it is what it is. Okay, so the names that I'll be putting on are Psych, Silverclaw 1678. Oh, 1678. Next one will be Okiwi. 2Z. 2Z. And Sparky1973. Skullmore, and yeah, and Silverclaw. So these are all the people that are entered in the giveaway, and one of you is gonna win my pink short collar. Who is it going to be? Who's gonna win my pink short collar? Sparky. Winner of the giveaway. Sparky AJ. Woo, that's amazing. Thank you so much for participating in my giveaway, guys. It really means a lot. So I'll be gifting that to her now. So it is, are they online? No, so it's Sparky, 1973. This is today's giveaway winner. You won my giveaway. Thank you all so much for participating in this giveaway. So yeah. You won my giveaway, Sparky. So enjoy your spike. Enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.